When it comes to premium phone protection, most cases focus on bulk and durability, often sacrificing design, texture, and elegance. PITAKA, a brand known for redefining minimalist protection, has delivered a masterpiece with its Sunset Moonrise Tactile woven case for the iPhone 16 Pro. This is more than just a case, it's a fusion of engineering precision, artistic vision, and everyday functionality, perfectly tailored for Apple's flagship. Inspired by the ethereal transition from sunset to moonrise, PITAKA's design tells a story in woven form. Part of the Weaving Plus series, this case takes the beloved sunset moment aesthetic and transforms it into a wearable visual experience, blending deep blues, warm twilight hues, and subtle patterns into a mesmerizing tactile surface. Using fusion weaving technology, PITAKA pushes the boundaries of traditional aramid fiber design by introducing a broader range of colors and seamless transitions in the weave. This is not just a phone case, it's functional textile art that elevates the look and feel of your iPhone. The PITAKA Sunset Moonrise Tactile Woven Case is not for those seeking rugged, military-grade protection, but it's a dream for those who value style, sophistication, and smart engineering. With its premium materials, striking visual design, mag-safe functionality, and ultra-slim profile, this case is a compelling choice for anyone wanting to preserve the feel of the iPhone 16 Pro while expressing refined personal taste.